Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are feeling fine. Thank you. Today we shall join the class, and this time we shall discuss on the question answer of the first chapter of Vistas. The name of the chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. I think you remember the story of this chapter. In this chapter, there are two cousins, Murad and Aram, and Murad is a very crazy streak of his family, Garulanian family, and he is a practical boy. He is familiar with the word and worldly things. On the other hand, Aram is not a practical boy. He is a boy of 9 years old, while Murad is a boy of 13 years old, and he has a way with the dog, he has a way with the animals, birds, people, and others. So I remind you the story, and now we shall discuss on the question answer of this story. The first question is, you will probably agree that this story does not have breathless adventure and exciting action. Then what in your opinion makes it interesting? Here the writer says that this story has not a breathless adventure. For example, suppose you are a mountaineer and you are climbing on the mountain, so it is a risky work. Suppose you are making the round of the river and lake with the boat, it is a risky work. But the writer says that in this story there is not adventure and risk. Then how can you say that the story is interesting? Really, you can say that in this story an interesting thing is that there is a boy of 13 years old and he had hidden the horse in a vineyard, and over a month he had been riding the horse with his cousin Aram, and nobody was able to see the horse because they were taking the horse out of the vineyard early in the morning, and they were riding the horse, and they returned the horse again in that vineyard before it was much light enough. It was light enough to look around. Really, it is a risky and adventurous work. If you steal a horse, an animal, and nobody can see it for a month, over a month, so it is a breathless thing. And interesting also because in this story there is Uncle Khusro, and Uncle Khusro is a man who rode others, and no, he did not see whatever the other person is saying, and he stopped the other person by roaring, and he was saying again and again, it's no harm, pay no attention to it. Once he had gone to Ceylon, and he was getting his hair cut and his mustache trimmed, and his son came running and he said that the house was on fire. Then he roared at the sun, it's no harm, pay no attention to it. And in this way, Khusro was producing the interest, he was producing the humor in this story. So it is interesting story. The second question is, did the boys return the horse because they were conscience stricken or because they were afraid? Really, we can say that the boys returned the horse not only by the conscience stricken or not only by fearing anything. Both the things are there with the boys. They returned the horse because they were conscience stricken, because it was a blame of stealing the horse by the other people. The other people could say that they had stolen the horse, and no family member of Garulanian family had ever stolen anything and they had never told a lie, and they were famous and popular for their honesty and trust. So that is why they returned the horse, so that nobody could say them that they had stolen the horse and they were dishonest, uh, and they were thief. And on the other hand, because they were afraid, really they were afraid, they were afraid, uh, afraid the people that they could say, they could uh, blame their family. So in this way, if I want to say, I can say that they were really more conscience stricken about their family, their honesty, their trust and truth, and that is why they returned the horse to the real owner of the horse, John Barrow. The third question is, one day back there in the good old days when I was 9, and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence, and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream. The story begins in a mood of nostalgia. Can you narrate some incident from your childhood that might make an interesting story? So in this story, there is a word nostalgia. Nostalgia is a feeling related to the love of the olden things. Nostalgia is a feeling which is related to the love of the olden thing you have lost, or you are living far away from that thing. So this story begins with nostalgic feelings, because when these children were, or long ago, this tribe, Garulinian tribe, was really known to be very rich and wealthy family, and there was no question of any lack and vantage. Everything was in rich amount with them. They were very prosperous and healthy. But nowadays, these children are, or this family, Garulinian family is, this tribe is leading a very grinding poverty, very striking poverty, and that is why we can say that the story begins with the nostalgic feelings, nostalgic incidents. And the further question is there any incident happened with you? So this answer depends upon you. If anything has happened with you, you can write. If anything has not, you cannot write. And the fourth question is, the story revolves around characters who belong to a tribe in Armenia. Morad and Aram are members of the Garulinian family. Now locate Armenia and Assyria on the atlas and prepare a write-up on the Garulinian tribes. You may write about people, their names, traits, geographical and economical features as suggested in the story. So actually this question is related to this tribe and about these countries, Armenia and Assyria, and about those people. This question belongs to the history of Garulinian family and tribe. If you want to know about the history of this family and tribe, you can go onto the Google and you can find all about this tribe and story. But if you want to write something, you can say that Garulinian tribe was long ago. Garulinian tribe was popular and famous for its honesty, for its truth. But when they were rich and affluent, at that time also they were very honest and trustworthy, and they were not taking advantage of any person. And now, while when they are very poor and they are leading through the striking poverty, grinding poverty, this time also they are very honest and trustworthy. They are truthful, and first of all, this tribe is known for their honesty and truth. That is why the people of Garulinian tribe have the pride in their family first, then their popularity and fame. So in this way, you can write about this tribe and family. Many other questions may be put in the examination also. For example, write the character sketch of Murad. How can you say that Murad was the crazy streak of his family? And write the character sketch of Ankar Khosrow, because these two characters are the main characters and important characters of this story, because they are the crazy streaks of this family and they have made this story interesting and adventurous, because the whole story revolves around these two main characters. The question on the characters may be asked also in the examination on these two characters. Thank you very much.